one of the big design factors that we look at now is how do you introduce new technologies, and who are the early adopters, and who are going to use them first and use them beneficially, all right, beyond just fashion. And electric vehicles and smart meters fall into that category. And then because you need to get that ball rolling, because you need sort of to get a couple generations in of the technologies for it to essentially mature, become cost effective for production volumes to come up. And then at the same time, you're saying, well, what are sort of the policies, the industry policy, the environmental policy that essentially prepares the network or the total energy system for using lots of these technologies after you get through this early adopter phase. And so that's sort of the co-design. So we're not just doing individual technology assessment, we're not just doing top-down government or state policy for these things, but we're actually looking at the use case for these technologies and how do they compete in the near term, and then how does that set us up for really capturing the value of these technologies in the long term. So one of the real growing areas where companies need to be focused on the need not just for efficient electricity generation technologies or smart and efficient end uses of technology, but what we're calling the fast and flexible aspect. And so companies are realizing, and our research is really highlighting the operational dynamics of technologies, just not their sort of steady state performance. And so like hybrid vehicles are now designed not for what the engine wants, but the fact that you might be in stop and go traffic. Power plants now have to be designed not for baseload smooth operation, but the need to fast ramp, turn on, turn off, turn up, turn down, based upon the situation in the power grid, whether it's a windy day or a sunny day, or if if it suddenly becomes cloudy or suddenly becomes hot. And so that's a real aspect of where the new aspects of technology need to be captured and understood, because it's going to be a large factor in the value of future technologies.